Hello everyone. Welcome, and thanks for tuning in. Today, we are tackling a common winter problem that can leave you stranded, a frozen air intake system. If your car won't start on a cold morning, or if it starts but runs very rough and stalls, ice blocking the airflow to your engine could be the culprit. It happens when moisture in the cold air freezes inside your air filter box or intake tube, essentially suffocating your engine. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix you can do yourself. Let's walk through the steps to diagnose and safely resolve this issue. First, you need to confirm that ice is actually the problem. Make sure your engine is completely off. Pop the hood and locate the air filter box, which is the large plastic container connected to a wide hose that goes toward the engine. Most air boxes are held shut by simple clips you can undo by hand, though some might require a screwdriver. Open it up and take a look inside. You are looking for visible signs of frost, snow, or even a solid chunk of ice. Also, check the air filter itself. If it feels damp or is frozen solid, you've found your issue. Now for the most important part, how to de-ice it safely. The best and most gentle method is to move the car into a warmer space, like a garage, and simply let it thaw out naturally over a few hours. This prevents any risk of damage. If you don't have a garage or need a faster solution, you can use a hairdryer on a low or medium heat setting. Carefully aim the warm air into the air box and the intake tube, keeping the hairdryer moving to avoid overheating any one spot. Never use a sharp object or screwdriver to chip away at the ice, as you could easily crack the plastic or, even worse, damage the very sensitive mass airflow sensor. Also, never pour hot water into the intake. The sudden temperature shock can cause parts to crack. And it should go without saying, but never use an open flame like a torch or lighter. That's an extreme fire hazard. As the ice melts, use some paper towels or a dry rag to soak up the water. You want the system to be as dry as possible before you try to start the car again. Once everything is clear and dry, take a final look at your air filter. If it got wet during this process, it's best to replace it with a new one to prevent it from freezing again. Finally, make sure all the clamps and seals on your airbox and intake tube are secure to help keep moisture out in the future. That's really all there is to it. A little patience is all you need to solve this frosty problem. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide helps you stay on the road this winter. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more content just like this. Drive safe and stay warm.